So after you've been approved for your DVL entry, so the document that you need when you're going for your interview. One is a passport picture. Make sure it's the US standard passport picture, and make sure you have about 5 or 4 of them with you. And your passports. Make sure the details on your passports matches the same as the one you used to fill the DVL entry. Need your birth certificate. It should be the biometric one, and it should be accurate. And you need your police reports to tell them that you have no sort of criminal background. And also the medical examination. Note that the medical examination will be taken to make sure that you have no disease or no ailments on you, and then you are clean to go to their country. And then they have the marriage certificates. This is important if you take the spouse section or the DVL entry. Now you make sure that you have your marriage certificate with you, the picture of you and your family, to prove that you're actually married. So you have to make sure that all your family accompany you. Those that you included on your DVL entry as your family. So if you take the educational side, make sure you take all your certificate with you to prove that you really have your educational certificate or you took the educational program. If you have vocational skill too, you include it with you. And also note, to avoid any contradictories, if you know your name on your birth cert and also your passport isn't matching, it's a spelling mistake somewhere, make sure you have an affidavit with you to avoid any complications. So in a nutshell, you need your passport picture, your passport, your birth certificate, your police records, your marriage certificate, your family accompanying you, and also you will take the medical examination there. And note, you pay a fee for it. And also you pay a fee for your visa application. The date for the release of the results will be out from May 3rd, 2025 to at least September 30th, 2026. If you have any questions, drop it down below in our comment section, and if there is a need for any other video, I'll do that to explain to you. It's a girl, Miss Oparibia. This is Degree Tech House. See you again.
This is your tech girl, Oparibia.